about, hey, in this video, I'll be sharing few important things about how to approach this running game or how to start in general anything. Very important, and amateur runners, especially those who are just starting off, they do this mistake. And I have done like so many one-to-ones so far, maybe more than 500 one-to-ones that I have done with runners and the fitness enthusiast. And this is a major problem that I see. So the major problem is, because of this access of technology that we have these days, just with a click of button you can read about anyone, like world champions here I'm talking about, right? So we try to replicate these people as well, in terms of their commitment, in terms of their discipline and everything. See guys, आपको ये समझना होगा, if you are just starting off in running or whatever that you are doing, when you start something new, you are just born in it. You are just born, and you cannot expect too much out of a newborn baby, right? So don't compare your commitment, your discipline with these world champions, like they are training 7 days a week or something like that, or maybe they are training, some of us think like that, they train 365 days a week, a year. I mean, it is not like that. Even they have holidays, and they have their family life, they have their kids and all that. So so they balance each and everything out, and over a period of time, it is like they have been doing it for years. Now they have fitness, or the lifestyle around fitness, be it their home, their friends, everything is around fitness and around their game, right? So they have developed this over a period of time. It is not just a one day thing, जो कि हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं बहुत बार, just to replicate their discipline, their commitment or their consistency as well. और वो हमें अगर रनिंग में नहीं दिखती है, देन व्हाट पीपल डू, दे चेंज द स्पोर्ट विद द सेम अप्रोच कि मैं ट्रेनिंग करूंगा 7 दिन a week or maybe 30 days a month and all that. With this approach, they keep on hopping to a different things, and finally no results will come, and they leave everything. So don't compare yourself with anyone. I mean, your journey is for you, and your comparison is you, and your journey is completely different from the others. Right? So always focus on the next thing. What is there in the next? What is there on the next day? Just try to conquer each and every day, and whatever is gone is gone. That's absolutely fine. अब तक की मेरी जर्नी में, आई एम सिटिंग एट 111 राइट नाउ फॉर हाफ मैराथन. सो इसमें मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रेक्स लिए हैं, और बहुत बार तो मेरे को ये लगता था कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड इट विल बी fearful because now you are entering into the unknown. अगर आपको known जगह रहना है, so obviously you will be at the same level, no improvement. And in sports, if you are at the same level, actually you are degrading in terms of fitness. You will degrade for sure, right? So that's what it is. Or just focus on the next thing. What is there in your workout tomorrow? Just try to conquer that. Try to fulfill purpose of each and every particular workout. On easy days, go easy. 80% of my training is easy. That's why I have energy during my tough and the quality workout days. I can go up to like 80%, 90%, right? And in my races as well. And once I have that fitness, base level of fitness, then obviously I can give 100%. So you have to build that fitness in order to give your 100%. It's an art. If you are just starting off, you'll not be able to reach to your 100% or your 100% potential or something like that, right? So don't go into that comparison mode. Comparison, I've read it somewhere that comparison is the death of joy. Right? And in this age of technology, as my mentor says, like in this age of technology, we don't lack information. All we lack is focus. So have that focus approach, and just take it easy, one step at a time. Have patience, and you will get it there. So the most important thing is, just because you have access to this technology, don't compare yourself with world champions in terms of commitment, in terms of discipline and all that. Don't go too hard on yourself. I've seen people like going into that self-cribbing mode or something like that, or just calling themselves like, I'm good for nothing. So you are just starting off. If you are training first time under a coach, under a mentor, under a community, so you're just born in running. So just take it easy. You will not expect too much out of a newborn kid. Just focus on the next day, and you will improve for sure. And compare you with yourself only, not with others, right? You can use others or leverage the community that I have. For example, I have this community in the name of Hello Fitness, where I help runners and especially the working professional, to take their fitness to the next level, and I empower them in terms of fitness, and add fitness into their lifestyle and all that, right? So the important thing is just enjoy the process and don't compare yourself, and give yourself some time, and you will see the improvement from day 1 to day 30th as you walk this path. And obviously it will be little unknown for sure, and that's how you get new results, or that's how you achieve something new. But just by doing the same things, repeating the same things again and again, you will not get over there, or you will not see something new or substantial. Right? I hope you like this perspective, and ऐसा हमें पता भी नहीं लगता है कि हम कब कंपैरिजन मोड में चले जाते हैं. सो इसलिए राइट एनवायरनमेंट में रहना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So that's what I do in my community. I take care of this mindset and emotional part as well, because it is not just physical fitness which is important. You need to work upon your mental and emotional fitness as well. Otherwise, your intelligence can turn against you. Right. So it is absolutely important. So just have that attitude of gratitude towards it, whatever fitness level you have and whatever level that you are at in your life, in terms of like business, maybe you are running, or maybe you are in a job or something like that. Right. So this life could be a dream for many out there. So have that attitude of gratitude towards it, and at the same time you can be having goals. ठीक है, आपने अपने standards high करे हैं. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि this 111 for a half marathon, it's hardly anything or something like that, because I'm comparing myself with the world champions. I mean, people in my community and in India will call me arrogant. Right? So I'm not respecting what I have. I hope you can relate with this. Right? So 111 is fast. कितने लोग होंगे जो कि अचीव ही नहीं कर पाएंगे? कितने लोगों की एज चली गई है ये वाला टाइम रन करने के लिए? सो आई नीड टू हैव दैट एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स इट, व्हाटएवर दैट आई हैव अचीव्ड. सेम विद यू गाइस, whatever level that you are at in terms of running, in terms of fitness, if you have like 2 legs, 2 hands, and everything, like each and every organ of your body is intact, just be grateful. So many people out there, they struggle with that. Okay, and follow this approach. Don't go into, again, I'll repeat this again, don't go into comparison, especially with the world champions. Just take it slow and you will see the improvement. So this is Ishan. I hope you like this quick video. Right, I have to make this because I am seeing too many people out there, they are going into this comparison mode, especially with the world champions. I mean, guys, उनका 30 साल का 40 साल का करियर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जितनी मेरी एज है उतना उनका करियर है. राइट? सो डोंट कंपेयर लाइक दैट. उनका सारा लाइफस्टाइल उसके अराउंड बना हुआ है, बट इट इज ईयर्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. अगर जैसे आप मेरे अपार्टमेंट में या फिर मेरे घर पे आओगे, so now you will feel that. I think you will feel that there are some sports enthusiasts live over here, because you will see those sport shoes, sport clothes and all that. Right, but it is years of practice that I have built my life around fitness. So don't try to replicate it on day 1 if you're just starting off, or on day 10 or something like that. Just give yourself time, take one step at a time. Don't rate and judge yourself. Like for my community people, I am your mentor, so let me be the judge. If I'm telling like everything is going fair and fine, just trust that, believe that, just walk this path. अब जब जिस स्टेट में आप हैं, जो क्वेश्चंस आपके हैं, डाउट आपके हैं, जो डर आपको लग रहा है, एक टाइम में मेरे भी वही सब क्वेश्चंस, डाउट, डर था. But I didn't stop. I didn't quit. That's why I have a story to tell. Right? I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my another video. This is Ishan signing off. Bye everyone. And guys, if you want to be the part of my community, just attend this runners workshop. You will find the link in the description of this video. Attend that. And if you resonate with the values, because I need right people in my community, right? So if you resonate with the values, just jump in. I would be happy to serve you in my community. Right? So I'll see you soon. Bye everyone.